Welcome to Festive Flavors. The season of peas has arrived and today we are cooking Matar Pulao or green peas pulao. This pulao can also be made from frozen peas. It is so flavorful that you only need a bowl of dahi or raita to go with it. Don't forget to note down the special pulao masala ingredients. Great for a tiffin and just a one-pot recipe on those busy days. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of rice and peas, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Rice 1 cup, green peas 3/4 cups, butter 1 tablespoon, onions ½ cup sliced fine, vegetable oil 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, bay leaves 2 large, cloves 5 to 7, cinnamon 1 inch piece, cardamom 5 to 7, black pepper 6 to 8, red or green chili powder to taste, pulao powder 1 teaspoon, water 1½ cups, salt to taste. Let's look at the ingredients of pulao masala. Cinnamon stick 2 inch piece, black pepper 5 to 6, cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, cloves 3 to 4, green cardamom 3 to 4, black cardamom 1, bay leaves 1, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1 whole, mace 2 to 3. Let's get started. Dry roast pulao masala ingredients on low heat for 3 minutes. Grind it. It will be good for 6 months and can be used 8 to 10 times. Next, wash the rice 2 to 3 times with water. Drain and keep it aside. Place a pressure cooker on heat, add oil and butter. Now add bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper and green cardamom. Add cumin seeds, add onions and cook till they are light brown in color. Now add frozen green peas or fresh green peas. Cook for a minute. Add chili powder or chopped green chilies, pulao masala and salt. Saute for a minute. Add rice and cook for a minute or 2. Be careful not to break the rice. Now add water and close the lid of the pressure cooker. Cook for 2 whistles, then switch off the flame. Let the pressure release on its own. After opening the lid, fluff up the Matar Pulao using a fork and allow it to rest for 5 to 7 minutes before serving. Delicious and spicy Matar Pulao is ready to be served with your favorite curry or as a complete dish with just raita on the side. Let's look at the tips and tricks for making Matar Pulao or peas pulao. Wash the rice well. Use 1 cup rice and 1.5 cups water. Cook only for 2 whistles on a high heat and immediately remove the cooker from the stove. Make sure you let the pressure release on its own before opening the lid. Make the Matar Pulao masala and it will last for 6 months. Health benefits of rice. Rice is a quick source of energy. Rice is gluten-free, which is ideal for consumption for people with celiac disease. It is a good source of vitamin B, hence helps maintain functioning of nervous system. As a diuretic, rice helps you eliminate toxins from the body like uric acid. Helps in reducing the risk of coronary heart diseases and other cardiovascular diseases. Rice is low in fermentable carbs, hence suggested for consumption during IBS as it has resistant starch that help with normal bowel movements. Health benefits of peas. Peas are high in proteins which in turn build muscles. Peas are high in fiber, hence protects from digestive disorders like IBS and colitis. Peas regulate blood sugar and slow down the digestion of carbs. They are low on glycemic index scale. Peas significantly reduce levels of LDL cholesterol in the body. Peas improve your memory as it has thiamine, which is vitamin B1. Green peas are loaded with vitamin K, hence it increases bone strength. Peas are also full of vitamin A, improves eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin protects eyes by filtering out harmful blue and ultraviolet light. Peas prevent premature aging. Saponins in peas reduce the size of tumors and prevent them from growing any larger. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.